Zulu Echo 5 calls out, but ultimately all the herd can do is watch. Wildebeests, sometimes even outpacing crocs. Hundreds of years of annual floods have carved steep banks into the sides of the Talak River. The zebras are trapped. It's a high-stress situation. Adults bite and kick to maintain personal space. And with nowhere to go, little Foxtrot 1 can't back away. A painful lesson, but a lucky one. That kick could have broken his leg, or worse. And that would have been a free meal for the crocs below. With Mom back at his side, they search for an exit. But if the adults can't power up over these steep cliffs, Foxtrot 1 doesn't have a chance. The steeper the banks, the greater the chance of falling back into the river. And that's the last place they want to be. Zulu Echo 5 has got only two choices: to lead her foal upstream or downstream. The wrong choice will take them further and further from a way out. A lucky break. Zulu Echo 5 and Foxtrot 1 have reached the northern plains.